Alright, this video is going to pertain to the transmission that is a 4T45E or a 4T40E. They're commonly found in like Cobalts, HHRs, some Grand Dams, and some Grand Prix had them. If your car has a dipstick tube on it, it doesn't have a 4T45 or a 4T40. That's one way for sure you know that this is not your problem. But the person on Facebook said this car had reverse but would not move forward. Well, I kind of had an idea in my head what it was going to be. And take a look at this video and I'll show you a quick fix. If you have a 4T40 or 4T45 that has reverse only, this could be your problem. And if it is, it's a quick, easy fix. If you're handy at all with any kinds of tools, you can do it. Bought this one today. Found it on Facebook ad. Asked people what their bottom dollar was, gave it to them. It has no forward gears whatsoever, and it has reverse really good. Doesn't slip in first at all, doesn't move at all, doesn't attempt to move. So they said that someone told them that it needed the transmission rebuilt. They even took it to a shop. And 99% of the time, this is what they need right here. Little feed pipe assembly that is inside the transmission pan. All you gotta do is drop the pan down, pull 3-4 bolts off of there, go ahead and put your new filter in while you're there, slap it back together, and it should be good to go. So let's see if my gamble paid off. If it didn't, I'm gonna have to rebuild the tranny. I probably won't make much off of it, but I took a little bit of a gamble, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, under this car, dropped the trans pan. There is no metal in it, so to speak of. Got her dropped down, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but right there, that pipe is broke. I'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. Alright, here's this pipe assembly out of the car. You can see it looks perfectly fine. That's one of the things that I've seen training guys miss this before too. They look at it, looks perfectly fine. You have to pull on it to see if it's broke, because it will go right back into where that braze or whatever they did. Let's see if I can focus in here. There where they brazed it right there. It cracks. It can crack on any one of them, but that one's pretty common right there. So I'll put this thing back in, and looks like I scored. Alright, I just fired this thing up, put some fluid in it, put a new filter, everything in it. See if it'll even move forward. I can't go far because the trailer's right there. Oh, I felt it go into gear. Oh, look at that. Fixed. Move the trailer out of the way and I'll take it for a proper test drive, but I'm going to call that good. Well, that's going to do it for this quick little video, little tech tip for you. Hopefully it'll help you out or someone you know out in the future. Maybe you can find a car like I did and get lucky and have that be your problem. Not saying that's always going to be the problem on these transmissions, but it's a fairly well-known thing if you're a transmission guy that deals with this stuff all the time. But anyways, thanks for watching. As always, please like and subscribe.